And here is your custom created keychain tag that is 3D printed. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a keychain tag using the Fusion 360 app, and we will save it as a STL file where we will send it to a slicer to have it 3D printed. So let's start up Fusion app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tag reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. From Fusion app, we'll select New and we'll select Part Design. Next, if you're to scroll using your scroll wheel, you can actually zoom in and zoom out of your workspace. So go to Create and select Create Sketch. Now, for the plane, we'll select Top, so you are looking from tops down. After selecting the plane, go to Create again and select Text. We'll create a text by drawing a box. Normally, we'll use the font as Arial, the typeface we will bold it, and the alignment we will center. For the height, we can leave it at 10 mm. So for the sample text, we're going to create a keychain tag called Technology Tips. Select OK once you have keyed in your text. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit, and if you were to press on your scroll wheel, you can actually move your workspace to the center. Having created the text, let's select Finish Sketch. Next, we'll select our text and go to Create and select Extrude. If you were to click on the Home button, you can see that the direction of the extrusion is upwards. So we'll extrude the text to be about 1.5 mm. Let's go back to the top view. The next thing you want to do is to create your tag, which we are going to do it as a slot. So once again, go to Create and select Create Sketch. And the plane is tops down view again. So click on your scroll wheel and drag your workspace so that it's in the center. We will create a slot by going to Create and select Slot. Select Center to Center Slot. Now, the first point, we want to put it slightly off the left side of the first letter, and then you drag it until the last letter. So this is a slot that we created. Select Finish Sketch. Now we want to extrude the slot. So we'll select the slot, go to Create and select Extrude. If you were to go back to Home, you can see that the extrusion is upwards, which we do not want. We want to extrude it below the text. So for the distance, we'll select -2 and make sure the operation is to join so that the slot is joined to your text. You have now created your tag, and the last thing to do is to create a keychain hole. Let's go back to the top view. And we can rotate. To create the keychain hole, simply select hole. And we'll select somewhere over here. For the keyhole, we can create a keyhole to be roughly about 6 mm. If it is too close, you can always do an undo and create the keyhole again. If you click on the home button, you have created your keychain tag with your unique name. The next thing to do is to save this as a STL file. To save your work as a STL file, head over here and do a right click and do a save as mesh. So this is the save as mesh box. Select OK. Give a name for your keychain tag. We'll call it tag tips. And we'll select a directory to save the keychain tag under our technology tips directory. Select save. Select save. After saving the STL file, we'll open our slicer app, which is the Kobra app. From Kobra app, open the file that you have just created. Do a right click and you can see the orientation and the size of the keychain tag. Select it and under this option we can scale. Now the keychain tag, we will recommend it to be roughly 65. We want it to be at least 3 mm thick, and make sure the snap scaling and the uniform scaling is unchecked. So this is your keychain tag ready to be sliced. Select slice and you can save to disk for print. Let's save to disk. We'll call it tag tips keychain tag. Now the next thing to do is to copy this G-code file onto a thumb drive or SD card and send it to print on your 3D printer. So this is how you create a keychain tag using the Fusion 360 app, and after saving as a STL file, you slice it using the Kobra slicer to be sent for 3D print.